Guys, today we have gotten rid of the furniture on the porch and we have this whole entire load of Ikea furniture to put together today right out here in the beautiful Florida sunshine. I'm so happy to have you guys with us today, but we got a lot of work to do. So let's get busy and stop talking on Supercar Straight Racing. Let's go. All right, 4 hours later, and we have finished assembling the furniture. I tried to do this in a pair, so I did both of them at the same time. One step, yapper, and this is how it came out. So these are mirror images, and I think this looks fire, dog. I'm just gonna move everything over like an inch or two to fit on the carpet here. That. This one here.
Let's go! I had a mouthful of food.
Let's go! Second part of the equation of the outdoor furniture switch over and refresh is this lounge chair and table set here. We got to get this out and get it put together. One of them is a table and chair. The other one is just a chair, and it is from Domi Outdoor Living with very good reviews. Let's get these outside, get them unboxed, and have probably the most fun ever by building more furniture that only took 4 hours to do the other set, guys. Okay, they gave us this nice toolkit with the accessories, but I went ahead and got my bit for these Allen head right here, and now let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and put together. All right, we got both the chairs built now and the table. They definitely feel cheap, way cheaper than these guys over here did, and they're just not that much cheaper. I kind of wish I would have gotten metal ones instead. They have some metal, but it's mostly plastic. And, you know, I had a few issues getting them together, but nothing big. But yeah, these are the new chairs there. That rounded off the new patio furniture there. And now let's throw it into Supercar Street Racing and Brad to see how you can get both of your sets of these on Amazon and Ikea. We're back at the 4K production studio today. My name is Brad, and if you haven't been to our channel, welcome. And I'm so happy for your support and for your subscription and your like. And we're taking a look today at this Ikea furniture that I bought, and this is the REVSKÄR, along with the Duvholmen seat pads, Duvholmen cushions, and the Frösön covers for the Ikea furniture. Now, this entire order was $1,487, and it comes with everything you need to go ahead and build this set for your patio. Now, it is made of metal. There is no wood except for the table part that looks like little slots. And then the other furniture was ordered from Amazon. Here's a look at the Domi outdoor living patio shade lounge. It has good reviews, but I'll be honest, it does feel kind of cheap. I like my metal furniture way better. But this guy has a 4.7 star review, so not too bad. Guys, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Now, I don't get any money from Ikea if you buy from them, but if you buy this set from Amazon, I will get a small amount of money for the purchase or anything else that you click through any of my links to buy. Now, I don't have time to hang out here all day and talk to you guys. I have to go assemble 1,000 furniture.